Let's learn how to use Google Sites. So I'm going to show you a couple of different useful features and then you will be able to play around with your new site. So you should have a blank site right now. Nothing will be a part of it. You'll probably see home page up here and there won't be any additional pages. You might need to change the website title by clicking here and you'll need to put your, this will automatically generate over here. If you are going to name your website right now, you can come up and click and make sure that you've put exactly what we asked you to here for the name of your website. Then there's going to be lots of information that you need to add to each page. These layouts are going to be very helpful. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is for some of the requirements, you need an image and some text next to the image. Click and drag one of the layouts over. You can add headings. You can add more information, and you can add a photo. Now, when you go to add a photo, you have to do it this way because otherwise you are taking a copyrighted image from Google. All of the images that will appear here are usable. Remember that you are going to publish this, so you have to make sure that you haven't stolen anybody else's copyrighted images. So click on the plus. You're going to do select image, and then click on Google image search. Type in whatever it is that you want to search for. Choose your image, double click, and it's entered. Now let's say you accidentally clicked on the wrong one, you decide you don't like it, come over to the three dots, and you'll be able to replace the image with something else. You can change the size of your image if you'd like to. You can add more information, but there are lots of different things that you can come over here and do and add for your page, but really the layouts are going to be the most useful thing that you will have. So once you've got your information done for your home page, make sure that you check the project requirements and you've got everything included. We're going to need to add more pages. Now you can see that I have some different pages here and you're going to need to add them too. You will see a little home and it probably says home page. Just double click and retitle it Earth's Interlocking Grids for your home page because that is the focus of all of your information. Now, if we want to add more pages like you see I've done here, we're going to come down and click on this plus, and we're going to add a new page. Make sure that you have a page for each of the required sections, and they will automatically generate here, and you'll be able to navigate up here. So if I want to go to my bodies of water and landforms page, then we can come and click over here. You can see that it won't all show up necessarily here if your text box isn't big enough. So you might need to expand it out to make sure that there's enough room here. Or if you'd like, you can come over and play with different themes. There are all sorts of different things that you can pick here, different colors, whatever floats your boat, doesn't matter as long as it looks nice and professional. The insert tools will work the same on each and every one of your pages that you create. Now, when you are done, when you're ready to publish, this is at the very end because if you add anything after you've published, it won't work. You need to come over to the publish button, click, make sure that your example web address is something unique. So it'll be Google Sites, New Richmond, K12WIU.us, and then whatever you put. This will be visible to your teachers, so make sure that we are picking something that is appropriate as well and makes sense for the project. Once you click publish, it is now going to be viewable. You need to click on the plus person, and then you need to get our link and use this instead. Publish site link, copy link. So use this instead of the share button because that only sometimes, I guess, has the link added right in there. So once you've done that, you go back, you paste this on the link into the assignment sheet that we've created for you, and then you can submit that. If you do not share that link There is no way for us to access your website and no way for us to give you a grade. If you do not publish your website first, we will not be able to see anything when we click on your link. Make sure that you do those steps first. Good luck.